Narito ang step-by-step guide sa pagkuha ng Philippine Passport 2026 process. Simple at direkta. Una, magpa-appointments online. Pumunta sa official site ng Department of Foreign Affairs Philippines, www.passports.gov.ph. Set appointment. Pumili ng pinakamalapit na DFA office, halimbawa DFA NCR, DFA Regional Offices. Piliin ang date at time. Ilagay ang personal details. Note, kailangan online appointment. Walk-in ay limited lang po para sa mga PWD, senior, etc. Pangalawa, magbayad ng passport fee pagkatapos mag-book. Regular is 12 working days approx. Expedited is 6 to 7 working days approximately. Pwede magbayad via GCash or Maya, Bayad Center, online banking. Hintayin ang confirmation email plus e-receipt. Pangatlo, ihanda ang requirements for first-time applicants. PSA birth certificates, original and photocopy. Valid ID, original plus photocopy. Accepted valid IDs. UMID, driver's license, PhilSys ID, Voters ID or certificate, PRC ID. Kung married, female, magdala ng marriage certificate. Pang-apat, pumunta sa DFA office appointment day. Sa araw ng schedule, dumating 30 minutes before. Dalhin lahat ng documents, sundin ang proseso sa loob. Document checking, encoding, biometrics, pictures plus fingerprint. Bawal, heavy makeup, earrings, minsan pinapatanggal, colored contact lenses. Number 5, delivery or pick up pagkatapos ng appointment. Pwede magpa-deliver via courier, may extra bayad, or pick up sa DFA office. Processing time, regular is 12 working days. Rush is 6 to 7 working days. Tips para iwas hassle, double check spelling ng name. Dapat tugma sa PSA. Kumpletuhin mga requirements bago pumunta, screenshots or print appointment details. Save this if first time mo mag-apply ng passport. You can also prepare early gamit ang passport organizer para hindi magulo ang documents mo.